Good morning, everybody. Don't mind me, I just woke up, so. For today's video, I am filming a what I eat in a day, but we're gonna eat plant-based for a whole day. And I think it's gonna be really fun to follow a bunch of different recipes. Hi, honey. Let us go make breakfast and coffee and all that, because I haven't had anything yet today. I don't know what my dog is doing. And let's get this video started. If you're new, my name is Chelsea. Make sure you subscribe. Let's get eating, guys. Let's get eating now. Alright guys, it is time for me to go have a workout. I'm gonna do a leg day today, which I'm excited about. I have done a bunch of like HIIT things recently, so I kind of want to slow it down and just do some weight training exercises with my legs to get them nice and strong. My shorts are Gymshark. They're part of the Whitney Simmons collection. My literal favorite pair of shorts. They're so flattering and comfortable. My long sleeve is also from Gymshark. It's like really cold in my house right now because it's like the most disgusting, cold, windy day outside. So I turned the heat up, but it's still cold. We're gonna go have a little workout, and then after we'll make a protein smoothie.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me. Just watch me.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
Yeah.
Let you down.
Let you down. Sing all my melodies.
Alright guys, so here is my post-workout smoothie. Not only does it have a bunch of protein in it, but also has greens. So I use the Tropica lean protein. It is completely plant-based protein. It uses a bunch of different plants, like pea protein, to make a really good protein powder. So I added that to my green smoothie. I also added some of the super greens and vitamin D into here. And then there's just spinach, tropical fruit, and orange juice, which is really good. Normally I don't add protein into this smoothie. Typically I have a protein bar post-workout, but my protein bars that I have normally have whey protein in them, which is a animal-based protein. So obviously for this video, we're not having those. We're having the smoothie, and this is really good, especially for the upcoming spring and summer. It's very tropical and delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and drink this, and then I'm gonna freshen up and shower.
I've got 30 minutes if you wanna spill your mind. Give me all your reasons to why I should take my time. Used to have forever, but you never cared that much. Just tell me why I should give you more than a goodbye, baby. Why you won't tell me why you won't. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Do it again and we won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once, but I won't do that again. I've got 30 seconds if you wanna pick your price.
All right, so for lunch today, I just made 2 veggie wraps with hummus. So I just basically cut up a bunch of veggies that I have in my fridge, like pepper, tomato, cucumber, avocado, spinach. This one has spinach on it and this one doesn't. I felt like switching it up a bit. But yeah, I'm gonna eat both of these. I assumed I could eat 2 just because I feel like veggies aren't as heavy in your stomach and there's no cheese or dairy or anything going on here. So I feel like I should be able to eat 2. So anyways, I made these wraps. I'm gonna eat them as my lunch and they're gonna be really, really good. I'm just having another snack while I do some reading before I make dinner. So I'm just reading The Court of Wings and Ruin. I finally got this book in the mail. If you guys know the struggle I was trying to get this book, okay? It took like 2.5 weeks. But I finally have it, so I started it. I'm just on chapter 2. I'm just having 2 clementines as a snack again because I'm hungry. But I'm not making dinner for another 30-ish minutes, so we gotta hold myself over, you know? Clementines it is. That's the mood for right now. I really want to finish this book soon because I have so many other books that I want to read, but I also kind of want it to drag out forever because I love this story and I love the characters and I'm just so attached.
stressed for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
So the chili is basically done. I'm just cooking it, simmering it a bit to reduce the broth. I ended up adding a bit more of the vegetable stock just because I feel like I had so many beans. Like, I don't know if like the recipe, like I just had too many. Like the cans I got were huge or something. I don't know, but I felt like it needed more, so I added a bit more. And I'm just cooking the rice to go with it, and then we'll be good to go. I found this recipe on Pinterest and I thought it would be really good. So basically it's just a chili, but no meat, obviously. It's like all different beans. So you add in kidney beans, black beans, and pinto beans. So basically, we're all gonna be farting up a storm after this, but it's fine. And I already tried it and it's freaking good because of the chili powder. It's like super spicy. And you also add in the smoked paprika, which I feel like adds a lot of like flavor and spice to it. It has like a way spicier flavor than other chilies I've had before, so I'm really feeling it. I feel like it's gonna be really good. We always eat our chili on top of rice. I don't know why, but just more carbs, you know, just filling up that belly. And it should be really good. Aiden's on his way over now because he's coming to enjoy my chili with my family. I'm excited. Alright guys, I'm just having a snack right now, post-dinner. So I'm having some guacamole, Yucatan guacamole, and some original tortilla chips. And Aiden's gonna have some of these, which are banana chips, chocolate. That's probably my last meal for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed just what I eat in a day, plant-based. I did it. I ate plant-based for a whole day. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure that you subscribe if you're new. And leave me a comment down below if you guys enjoyed this. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!